Let's talk politics now. This morning, the world is awaiting a grand jury's decision on a possible indictment of former President Trump. And I say the world because some people think this is a big head scratcher. Why is this even a story? Others are saying it's about time. Mr. Trump holding his first official campaign rally in Texas over the weekend, strongly condemning the alleged hush money investigation against him in New York. Let's bring in Mailman, who served as an attorney in the Trump administration. She's also senior fellow at the Independent Women's Forum. May, I spoke to famed attorney Alan Dershowitz earlier, a professor emeritus at Harvard, and he was saying that this case is one of the worst he's seen in terms of something that was contrived, where someone is being targeted. And it really resonates with what the former president said during that campaign event, saying this is a total witch hunt. They don't have anything on me. So what's your perspective? Because there are a lot of Americans thinking, what exactly is he being indicted for?
Yeah, so this case actually is very legally weak. I think that DA Alvin Bragg actually agrees with that. That's why he waited so long to bring it. He originally didn't bring it. His predecessor didn't bring it because it flips campaign law on its head. And this is a point that Clinton's FEC, Federal Elections Commission chair, has made, which is that you cannot, everyone in Washington knows, you cannot use campaign funds for personal expenditures. That looks like a bribe. Hey, here's some money. Go buy yourself a car. Go buy yourself a watch. You know that you cannot use campaign money for personal expenditures. But this Manhattan case that Alvin Bragg is bringing says exactly the opposite, that Trump had to. He needed to use campaign funds for personal expense, which is not just a reach. I think, as Alan Dershowitz says, it's just not going to work.
But how much proof will the Manhattan DA, Alvin Bragg, need to make this case strong, especially with so much public scrutiny and so much lead time ahead of an actual decision from this grand jury?
Well, grand juries almost always indict. So I think the delay is notable and basically unprecedented because grand juries always indict. At the federal level, they say it's between 95 and 99.99%. So I do think that whatever level of proof they need, he's got it because grand juries always indict. I think the problem maybe that Alvin Bragg is facing is that he thought that this would be politically popular, but he's getting some pushback from his own party on the politics here. Because this case is so legally weak, it seems very partisan, and it's casting a light on all the other investigations that are going on, making it seem like those are just as partisan. And those are going to really need to seem nonpartisan in order to get a conviction. So it could be the case that by bringing this case first, it makes it less likely that Trump is going to get convicted on any of the other stuff.
Yeah, it is going to be really interesting if this is all a lot of shooting himself in the foot. Thank you so much. And I'm talking about DA Bragg. We appreciate it, May. Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find News Nation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of News Nation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.